to a penthouse. Straight up the street to a penthouse, man. Yeah, yo, niggas talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Need to work, put it up for my seeds. No cure for the object disease. Anything for clout.
Yo.
Redo that shit.
No, chill. This is the entry to the vlog. Huge support on the last video. Shout out to Shannon that got us how many views was that? Like 3.5, 3 point something.
3.6, something like that.
I see y'all. But like the problem in the with that is that no subscribers, yo. Y'all are watching our shit, but not. I'm kidding. we got big moves today.
Guys, thank you for all the subs. I'm sorry, not the subs.
Yeah, fuck subs.
For all the love.
Cut that out.
For all the views. We got a little special something, you know, we're trying to upload as much more as we can. Today we're doing some Today we're doing something for FG4 Philly.
Yo, we're trying to get him into the club, but this guy look what he's running. Look what he's running. Here, I'll show you. Look at this. Legends.
Dustin Williams, baby. That's the Williams. I might get that too.
Dustin Williams doesn't even know who you are.
He does though.
You just paid him $50 for no reason.
Nah, fam.
Yo, get me one of those.
You pay me $40, I'll actually give you a hug.
Nah, I told you, if you're gonna take that off, you gotta reimburse me, fam.
Alright.
You need a breakdown on this car?
Yo, fam, what did you drive before? What is this?
Well, hold on.
I'm not a Honda guy.
Before the car, I think Philip should introduce himself.
Nah, everyone knows
You know me, bro.
You know me.
This
You know
guy in the
me.
cut, bro.
You know me.
This is the guy with that blue Civic that was mod, and then this guy decided to sell and buy this.
Alright, man. So I've been a Honda man for a time, you know. So
Yeah.
It is what it is.
Okay.
When I was looking around, I started looking at Camaros because of my boy.
Yes, sir.
Hero, bro.
I
But
mean,
then I realized I ain't a chump.
hey.
I started looking back at Hondas again. I remember the 9th gen was like my favorite generation of cars, or Civics. So I ended up copying this guy from a BMW dealership.
Sir.
So, you know,
So tell us what we're doing today, Philip.
today we are installing some Rev 9 coilovers.
You actually want cheap? You cheaped out, eh?
Cheaped out, bro.
Yo, Phil's face is like, yo, cheap the fuck.
Yo, that still hurt my bank account.
At least you got coilovers. These two, this guy got string, this guy got nothing.
Fuck
so
that.
I rate that coilover again. I
I'm
respect.
not going on YouTube. It's going on Instagram.
Xplicit Nation, listen. See, this is spring, but look how beautiful the car looks right now. Show him.
Show him this card.
That low light, yeah.
There you go. Yeah.
Springs, I'm telling you guys, springs over coilovers.
Okay, we're gonna edit that part and then the flip part. Okay, so we'll do the first one, film it, kinda, and then we'll go from there. We'll show you the struggles. I guess Irvin's holding the camera because he doesn't really do things.
So Philly, let's take a look at the
what?
the food.
Oh, food. I thought
What are we working with right now?
I
What are we
know.
working with right now?
We're working with some Dominoes. You know,
Okay.
don't sleep on the Dominoes.
Never.
It's Good Friday. You should be fasting.
No sir, we
Guys
eat
are
pizza
bad.
on
Guys are
on
bad
on,
fucking
on
Christians,
Good
bro.
Fridays, bro. This
Okay.
got grilled chicken,
Okay.
green peppers,
Okay.
and that shmunion. You feel me?
Yeah, that's money.
That's money, baby.
That's money, baby.
You didn't crack these. We have to
Guys,
crack
Those are crap.
I just want to say
These?
sincerely from the bottom of my heart
Yeah, those are crap.
and
What's
Ray's
that?
heart,
Yeah.
I'm gonna speak for him too.
17s, bro.
Thank you so much for all the love we got on our last video. That import expo video we had a lot of fun shooting it. I know it was kind of lengthy. We talked a little bit too much, but thank you for all the love, cause
We all know you clicked on it because of me. Like,
Sure.
it's all good.
We'll say.
even if that's the case,
This guy's
thank you so
FD4.
much.
Yes.
All right, boys. Well, we have a problem. One of the bolts on the end links are seized, so you know what time it is. Look who's finally here. The man himself.
I came to finish the job. You know how it goes.
Better be careful before.
Nothing, huh?
We're sorting
He
in a
thinks he's
dilemma.
big.
here.
Oh, wait, whoa!
Look who we got. We almost killed people
Show
for
him your
it.
trophy. Show him the trophy.
Put that on Shanon's card.
That's
Hold
a
it like a fish. Hold it like
that's
a
a thumbnail right
Some dust went in your hair.
That's not
there. That's a thumbnail right there.
Some dust one in my teeth still too.
Put that on the old Facebook Marketplace and
Good, hey.
Get rid of him. Get rid of him.
Yo, Ray, what are you doing?
Washing my hands, fam. Philip got a mutt in the house, so I can't go inside.
Number 2. Oh fuck.
With one bolt drop.
I went back to my
I think it
10.
can. I don't think it's actually gonna work.
you know what they might have done though?
Let me hear some Honda sounds.
So instead of putting that bracket in the front now,
You put that in, bro.
All right, boys. Well, it's getting real late. We're just about finishing up.
Yeah.
Both struts are in.
Yeah, it's gonna get real late, guys. But like, yo, Philip, is it all good? Like, if we dip, like, is that cool, fam? Later.
Pussy boy.
But yeah, we're not gonna show you the car right now. But just know, next video is gonna look real nice. And this car is gonna be showing up a lot in the channel. This guy's Amma is calling.
It's mom, man.
Mom, sorry.
She smacked you.
what is that, boy?
Alright, boys. Well, from all the Xplicit Boys,
I know I punched some
we'll
metal.
catch you guys later.
Peace.
Yo, chill.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Philip, you guys have anything to say to the channel?
Alright, follow me at FG4 Philly.
FG4.Philly.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Well, only follow him if he puts the banner on.
You wanna hold one side?
I still hold on to that Dutton Williams.
Alright, well,
Says
boys,
Dutton
we will
Williams.
catch you later. Peace.